Amunyelet na kafufa drum okaruka lo nesi abue president loka fufa Moses Magogo itegea.
So we expect that the third edition will be more competitive. We expect that it is a short gap format that we are going to use to ensure that we have the third edition, but definitely the fourth edition will be back to the way we are supposed to do it to ensure that the fans down in the provinces are able to follow from the first match to the last match. The FIFA drum is about celebrating our ancestry. We have kept the rules, we have kept the formats, because we believe that this is the moment when the people where we come from are able to celebrate the athletes that are coming from those particular areas.
Aina petangun noda itolosio koya pesunu kafufa nesida jasi engarini kinto ru Amunyelet ko Uganda Toma Imoriarito Rogers Biamukama loda engarini kit aina petanu Amunyelet kangin.
The reason why we did this is as you notice the year is almost ending and we didn't want to miss another third year for drum. But next year, we will revert back to the original format. It's also going to give us a more compact quality season because we'll play from 30th of July all the way to December when we'll have the finals. But remember, in between, there is football action. There is AFCON qualifiers in September. There is CHAN qualifiers in September to October. There is the league, there is the World Cup qualifier. So it is going to be action-packed football from 30th November all the way.
Itimunu iarei luelomnete koto madoket kangin nesi ilang langete Amunyelet na washa fofa ngesida okarulo ibwa ikit imilionin akaisauni aluare kanu ikilabun luiswamaete ejok kotoma Amunyelet kangin kwape iata kintor John Paul Semakula Arina Acholi nesi ebuni aitobolia Arina Kobunyoro Buganda nesi iriama kinoskeda kigezi abolasho ache nesi ibweki tere bosoga aitobole teso bukedi nesi tinga kinoskede Kampala bukisu nesi iriamunoskede Sebei Nile nesi iriamunoskeda Karamoja so lango nesi ibweki ntai aitobole Ankole kosodi toro airiamun keda kigezi Buganda keda choli kese apotu itele kasi aina peta nusodit keranu yare kini na kafufa drum okalo ilukumini yare kedito mona kanyauni keda ilukumini yare kedito mona kanyangon. Gabriel Esiku, Kanuka TV East.